There was a man who didn't want fame for ego. He wanted it for freedom. Freedom from stress, freedom from bills, freedom from feeling stuck. He dreamed of becoming successful on YouTube, going viral, making money, and finally proving to himself that he could make it. But there was one problem. He didn't have money. Every recommended tool required paid subscriptions. Every AI video generator needed credits, free tools. They barely worked. One video, two videos, and suddenly your free credits are finished. No money, no results, no progress. Night after night, he sat in front of his screen, editing, deleting, starting over. He watched others grow, others go viral, others succeed, and he thought to himself, is YouTube only for people who can afford it? He was tired, mentally exhausted, one step away from quitting. Then one day, while scrolling mindlessly through YouTube, he clicked on a video from Whisk AI Studio. At first, he didn't believe it. He had heard promises before, but then he heard the words that stopped him cold. What if I told you that you can generate 100 ready-to-go viral video stories every single day with no credits and no limits?
What I'm about to show you is exactly how channels with millions of subscribers are making tens of thousands of dollars every year using some of the simplest videos you've ever seen. Let me show you something crazy. This channel has 7.2 million subscribers, yet their videos are incredibly simple. No face, no expensive equipment, no complex editing. And according to Social Blade, this channel is making up to $6,000 per month, which is around $38,000 per year. Now look at this one, a channel called Story Booth with 4.5 million subscribers. They are earning almost $4,000 per month, up to $49,000 per year, just by creating simple and engaging story videos. And here's the part most people don't realize. These videos are very easy to make. Anyone can do this. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these viral videos step by step. No guessing, no complicated tools, so please pay close attention, follow the steps carefully, and watch this video until the end, because missing one step can change the final result. First, go to Google and search for Whisk AI extension. Click the first result, then click Add Extension. Whisk AI extension is a browser tool that automatically turns written prompts into high-quality images, scenes, and animations using AI. It helps creators generate consistent characters, visuals, and story scenes quickly without needing design or editing skills. Once the extension is installed, change the language to English. Now look closely. You will see three versions available: API, DOM, and GLabs automation. Today, we are going to use the first version, which is the classic version. This is the easiest and most beginner-friendly option. Now go to ChatGPT, ask it to generate a full story about the topic you are interested in. Make sure you ask for a scene-by-scene breakdown image prompts for each scene, detailed character descriptions. These details are very important because they help maintain character consistency and visual quality throughout the entire story. In my case, I already had a story idea, so I gave it to ChatGPT and asked it to create everything else for me. Once the story is ready, copy and paste it into the prompt list. You can see that the AI automatically creates the character. The character looks realistic, but I want something more eye-catching. So I go back to the prompt and style 3D character. Then I generate again. And wow, this is exactly what I am looking for. The image is clear, professional, and visually appealing. If you want a specific look or extra details, feel free to keep adjusting the prompt until you get the result you want. Now look at the left side of the screen. You will see three boxes: subject, scene, and style. This part is very important. You can drag and drop the generated images into these boxes, and the AI will use them as references. This means the same character, the same style, the same visual identity from the first scene to the last. This is what makes the video look professional and consistent. Once the character creation is done, it is time to create the scenes. Copy and paste the scene description, then click Generate. As you can see, the AI changes the environment from a bedroom to an office, adding a desk, a laptop, and books. This is amazing and exactly what we want. Save the scene so the AI can continue using it as a reference. ChatGPT created 9 scenes for this story, but you can ask for more or fewer scenes depending on your goal. Now copy and paste each scene one by one and generate them. Because we locked the references earlier, all images will remain consistent and aligned. Wow! Look at these images. They are extremely clear, high quality, and very professional. This is exactly what I was looking for, and I am confident that once you try this yourself, you will be amazed and satisfied with the results. Once all the images are generated, save only the images you will use in your story to your computer. Now it is time to create the voiceover. Go back to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a voiceover script for your story. Once the script is ready, go to 11 Labs and paste the script there. You can edit the script, delete parts, add your own style, or simply keep it as it is. Choose the voice you like, generate the voiceover, and once it is ready, download it to your computer. Now let's go back to Whisk because I want to show you a very cool trick. Whisk allows you to animate your images and turn them into videos. You are limited to 6 generations, but do not worry. I will show you a simple and free way to animate everything. Choose the image you want to animate, enter a prompt describing what you want the character to do, and click Generate. As you can see, the AI starts generating the video. Wow! This looks incredible and very engaging. Now, let me show you how to put everything together using a tool I have been using for a long time. And the best part, it is completely free. Go to CapCut. Upload all the images you created and the voiceover. Drag the images in order, add the voiceover, and make sure the video length matches the voiceover timing. Now start adding transitions to make the visuals more attractive and engaging. This step is very important. Select an image, add a keyframe at the beginning and another keyframe at the end. Place the slider at the beginning and slightly scale the image up. I will use 156% here. Repeat the same steps for all images. This creates a smooth animation effect and makes the video feel alive. To make the video even more engaging, add subtitles. Choose a style you like, then adjust the color, size, and position. Once everything looks good, export the video to your computer. This method is perfect for YouTube creators, faceless channels, kids story channels, educational content, and storytelling reels. And once you understand this workflow, you can repeat it again and again with different stories, different prompts, and different styles. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.